Hello friends, welcome back to Cherry Media. My name is Winnie, and in this video we will talk about using dual voice in Yamaha PSR E373. Using dual voice, we can play two voices simultaneously. For example, I am selecting the voice 044. Right now if I play the keyboard, it will produce just one sound, that is the guitar sound. But if I turn on the dual function, then keyboard will play one more sound with guitar. So let's turn on the dual function and see what happens. To turn on the dual function, simply press the dual button and it will turn on. Again, if you wish to turn off the dual function, simply press it back and it will turn off. When the dual function is turned on, you will be able to see dual written in display. So now dual function is on, and as you can see, when I am playing the keyboard, it is generating string sounds along with the guitar sound. So this is how the dual voice works. The use of dual voice makes your music more impressive and appealing. Now what happens, whenever we turn on the dual function, the keyboard automatically assigns a pre-selected dual voice for the active main voice. I would also like to clear that the voice we select after tapping the voice button is known as main voice. For example, I tap the voice button, then I enter the number 009. So at this time, our main voice is 009. And if you turn on the dual function, then keyboard will automatically assign a pre-selected dual voice. That means, by default, keyboard has a pre-selected dual voice for each voice in the keyboard. So when you will turn on the dual function, then pre-selected dual voice will be activated. But if you wish, you can easily change that pre-selected dual voice. In fact, you can use any voice of the keyboard as your dual voice. To do this, first select your main voice, then press and hold the dual button. It will take you to the screen where you can choose your dual voice. Now enter any number as per your choice, and that voice will be activated as your dual voice. You may also change the dual volume and octave if needed. Simply tap the function button and you will see the option to change the dual volume and octave. So using this function, you can explore your creativity by combining two voices and playing them simultaneously. For example, piano and strings make a very good combination. You can try combining two different voices and have fun playing your keyboard. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial video today. If there are some other functions in your keyboard which you would like to learn, then please write below in comment section. I will make a video on that function as well. So thanking you once again to watch this video. Have a nice day.